Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Canvas. Whether you're new to the platform or just want to refresh your online presence, this process only takes a few minutes. First, log into your Canvas account. From the home page, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon. A menu will drop down with the different options. Next, navigate to the Your Account section. Here you'll find the option to change your profile photo. Click on Change Photo and a window will appear. You'll now have the choice to upload a new picture from your device or pick from saved files. Select a photo that feels professional but also reflects your personality. Once you've chosen, click Open to upload it. Canvas may prompt you to crop or resize the image so it fits properly. Take a moment to center your picture and adjust it until it looks just right. When you're happy with the result, click Save or Submit to finalize the change. And that's it. You've successfully updated your profile picture on Canvas. From now on, your new photo will show up whenever you interact on the platform, adding a personal touch to your account. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated profile picture on Canvas.